morning. How did you all sleep? So I had an amazing sleep last night. We had the best dreams, me, and this is my yoga unicorn. Oh. How do you all feel about doing some yoga to start the day? Now, you may or may not have done yoga before, and a lot of people think that yoga is all about these really complicated poses, but it's not. Yoga can mean so many things, but to me it's about using your body, your breath and your mind all together to bring you into a place of feeling really calm and happy and just connected with yourself. So before we do our morning yoga routine, I was thinking I could show you a little trick that I use. So a lot of people find it really hard to manage their emotions and stress and frustration and even tiredness. So one thing that we can do to help with that is to use our fingers and our breath. So what I'd like you to do is use the finger of your other hand, and you're going to trace along your fingers, and as you go up each finger you take a big breath in through your nose, and as you go down you blow it out through your mouth. Okay, so when you're ready we'll start together. Let's go. And if at any point in your day you feel angry or stressed or tired, that's a really, really great way to bring yourself back to feeling nice and calm and ready for the day ahead and nice and settled. So we're going to just do a little warm up using our special friends if we have one. If you'd like to go and get one now, please do. Just put your legs out straight. Take your special friend, walk them all the way along to your tippy toes, and bring them back in for a cuddle, and put your legs out and see if they can find your knees first, and then all the way down to your tippy toes. Bring them back in for a cuddle, and on the other side, down to your knees, down to your toes. Come back in for a cuddle. And then if you'd like to cross your legs, put your friend on one side. So mine is on my right side. My left arm down to the floor. Take your little friend out for a walk as far as you can reach, with this hand still on the floor. And then bring this arm up and over to stretch your side and back. Put your special friend over to the other side. Take them out for a little walk as far as they can go, keeping this hand on the floor. See if you can feel a big stretch here, and then lift your arm up and over and back. And bring them back in for a cuddle. Put your next to Teddy. And then if you're ready, we're going to say a big warm up welcome to the day ahead, using our body. My first breath is long and deep. Let's say good morning to the sunshine. Good morning to the sky. I twist and turn to shake off sleep. Today I'm a fiery volcano, reaching high, up onto your tippy toes. A brave ski jumper ready to fly. What can you see as you ski down the mountain? Oh, look, there's a lightning bolt flashing through the sky.